Imagine capturing your audience's attention instantly. Live polls offer you that power. They turn passive viewers into engaged participants, enhancing your brand's presence. But how do you unleash the potential of live polls? By ensuring they are interactive and straightforward. Live polls provide real-time engagement and feedback. This not only fosters community but enables you to gather valuable insights on customer preferences. Why choose live polls? They boost engagement with immediate results, invite customer opinions, and enhance decision-making. They are versatile, perfect for contests, market research, or educational assessments. Brands like Netflix create loyal followers through polls, fostering conversations and partnerships. And if you're a smaller brand, combine polls with giveaways for added incentive and higher engagement rates. Craft questions that resonate with your audience, keep them clear, relevant, and fun. Incorporate multimedia to increase participation. Remember, engaging polls help bridge gaps, making your audience feel valued and heard. Now, start crafting your own live polls today. Dive into the world of real-time engagement and see how they can transform your strategy. Your audience is waiting to connect, don't miss the chance. Take action now.